This will be an unboxing of the OnePlus 6. Now I also got this with their Kevlar case. Put this to the side for now. These are the two phones. This one is the 6 GB of RAM variant. This one is the 8 gigs. Comes in the traditional white packaging from OnePlus, OnePlus 6. The speed you need. Let's go ahead and open the 6 GB of RAM variant. This one. And let's get right into it. And let's go. Throw that away and wait for it. This is the phone itself. Gloss back. Similar to your Galaxy S8, Galaxy S9. Put this on the side for now. And what do we get inside? In here, I think we have your manuals, etc. And I also think it comes with a case. Yes, it does come with a case. So let's take a look at this one real fast. So let me just... Here we go. Here's your documentation and stuff. This is your OnePlus decal. So if you have a friend with a Galaxy S8, Galaxy S9, iPhone 10, you know what to do. This is their TPU case. Put that to the side. And in here we get your dash charging USB Type-C cable and the brick. Nice and fat. Read the specs if you want. And I think that's pretty much it. Nothing else is in here. So where's the phone? This is the phone. Take the plastic off, and we don't need this. Turn this on. OnePlus. See, you have your volume rocker here. This is your SIM slot. This side of the phone, power, your switch. And in the back, dual camera setup, fingerprint scanner, LED flash, OnePlus branding. On the bottom, headphone jack. Nice to see that on this phone. Mic, USB Type-C port, speaker grill. On top of the phone, microphone cutout. On the front, you have your AMOLED display, notch up top. So we'll go ahead and just get started here. OnePlus slate, go ahead and choose that. Changing font, next. Agree, agree. User experience program, and no thanks. No thanks to this one also. No thanks. Skip the mobile network, just Wi-Fi for now. Setup is new. Go ahead and type in my password. Checking info. Skip this for now. Skip the account stuff. Just want to get into the phone. Next. Skip the face stuff for now. Skip anyway. Allow this. And we are in. I'm noticing I think we have a software update already. And update now, system update. I'll do that in a little bit. So just taking a look at the device right now in the UI. You have this launcher here, very pixel-like. Take a look at the Android. This is Android 8.1. And I wonder what security patch, April 1st, 2018 security patch. However, there is this software update. It's probably going to be the May 1st security update. This one comes with a Snapdragon 845. This is the 6 gigs of RAM variant in the gloss black. So I'm going to go ahead and real quick open this one, 8 gigs of RAM. See, this one is the matte black version. Comparing the two finishes to give you an idea if you're undecided which finish to get. Take a good look at this right now. Hopefully this will help you make a decision. You can't go wrong with either look. Both look pretty nice. This one is just a matter of personal preference. You like glossy or do you like matte? You decide. And test fitting the case that comes with the device. Go ahead and put it on the gloss black version. I do like that OnePlus does this. Every phone manufacturer should include a simple case with their phone. And looking at the front, you do have some rays here. So you lay this phone flat on the table. Glass should not touch the surface. And from the back, it's gonna look like this. Not bad. And the sides of the case is a matte finish, cutouts. Check those out. And the buttons, nice and clicky, including the volume rocker. Kevlar case. Let's open this up. Check it out real quick. So this is the case. Just your simple snap-on case. OnePlus. Some branding there, can't pronounce that. You have your massive cutout for your cameras, etc. Buttons are wide open. On the back, OnePlus branding. Go ahead and put it on the matte black version. Phone snaps right in. There you go. Now don't expect much protection with this. This will just provide your phone with scratch protection. However, this does look pretty badass. Alright, so let's compare it with the OnePlus 5T. On the left, there you go. And in the front, the sides, putting the two right next to each other, hard pressed to tell the difference. Very similar in size and weight and thickness. It's my Galaxy S9 Plus. There you go. From the back, the front, the sides, S9 Plus a little bit taller. Here's the gloss black version compared to the Galaxy S9. Both have gloss backs. Comparing the finishes between the two phones, you have to compare this phone with the iPhone X. From the back, front, the sides, putting the two together, you can see the height difference. OnePlus 6, the much taller phone. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with the OnePlus 6. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests, etc. Many more videos to come featuring this phone. Thanks for watching. Peace out.